Kanza kwethu mabi amanga lihle iqiniso. Nakho ukukhuluma kuqala ukuzungeza uphakela umthakathi kanye-ke noJacinta noma-ke i-March and March. Ngikhuluma-ke lezi ndaba nje emva kokuthi umnumzane uphakela umthakathi kanye noNgizwe Mchunu bahlangane nomengameli wakuleli umnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa mhla ka-29 June ebusuku kuzosa kube-ke yi-30 June okuwusuku-ke olwalukade-ke luzoba-ke nemali lapho khona-ke kuzoxoshwa abokufika. Uzokhumbula ukuthi-ke ngaphambilini abantu bebethi uma ngabe-ke bebuza uJacinta ukuthi-ke ngempela lithini icebo mayelana-ke nomhla ka-30, ithini indaba yale deadline. uJacinta aphendule ngokuthi-ke bona njenge-March and March awukho umnqamulajuqu abawubekile wange-30, naye kuphakela umthakathi ubazasho ngowakhe umlomo athi-ke uyena obeke umhla ka-30 June ukuthi-ke kuhambe abokufika. Indida-ke isiqala manje uma ngabe-ke sekunamahebezi ukuthi-ke cha, ngokomthetho uphakela umthakathi noNgizwe bebazi ukuthi-ke bazoba-ke nomhlangano nomengameli, njengoba-ke uphakela umthakathi eke waphawula wathi-ke cha, umengameli ubekade-ke engamtshelanga ngalo mhlangano, uvesaneke wamtshela nje esesendleleni ebheke-ke e-KZN emfonela-ke ebusuku ethi-ke ucela ukuthi-ke bahlangane, nangempela-ke bahlangana ngaso leso sikhathi. Uthi yena cha, ubengazi ngalo mhlangano, utshelwe nje sekuyisigubhukane. Kanti-ke futhi uthi uma ngabe eqhubeka nokuphawula uthi umengameli ubengafuni i-March and March kodwa ubefuna yena yedwa njengophakela umthakathi. Abantu bayabuza ukuthi-ke uma ngabe kuwukuthi umengameli ubefuna yena noma kuthiwa-ke bekunjalo, kwenziwa yini ukuthi-ke engabe samtshela uJacinta, ngoba phela-ke kusukela ekuqaleni nje aze-ke ajoyine i-March and March noma kaqoshwe bokufika ubekade-ke ethi-ke wesekela uJacinta okuyena-ke ophethe i-March and March. Kwenziwa yini uma ngabe-ke umengameli esembiza ezokhuluma-ke zona lezi ndaba ey'thinta bokufika ukuthi-ke engabe samncinza nangendlebe uJacinta okuyena ophethe-ke i-March and March. Uma ngabe kuzobheka ama-post wakhe naye-ke uJacinta kuwona uFacebook, naye-ke sengathi uyahluleka manje ukuzibamba, ufuna ukwazi ngempela ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani. Ngabe-ke mhlambe kukhona asebezama ukumkhaphela njengoba ebonakele ekhomenta-ke kwenye-ke yama-post kaZoso ebuza ukuthi-ke nanitheni na-ke nophakela umthakathi aninayo i-March ngeyi-30. Manje pho ingabe umhlangano wani lo ebeniwubambile uma ngabe kulokhu kungena igama le-March? Kanti-ke no-Ghost Lady osebenza-ke no-MacG ophinde futhi kasebenze-ke noNgizwe Mchunu uvezile ukuthi-ke yena ubazi ukuthi-ke kuzoba-ke nomhlangano kaNgizwe Mchunu kanye-ke nomengameli wazi kudala kabi, njengoba uzomuzwa-ke chaza kwividiyo-ke engizoyidlala, okusho khona ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi-ke kungamampunge ukuthi-ke batshelwa sekuthiwa-ke abeze khona manje kuzohlangana-ke nomengameli. Kanza kwethu inkulu indaba, ake sibeke imizwa eceleni, ungitshela ukuthi-ke wena ngokucabanga kwakho nokubuka kwakho ngempela uphakela umthakathi bekumele yini ukuthi-ke ambikele uJacinta uma ngabe kethola ucingo olufana nalolu, noma-ke ingabe mhlambe ngamaqhinga kamengameli ukuthi-ke adale uqhekeqo phakathi kwalabantu? Ake sihlangane ema-comments sikhulume ngale nto.
Kuba ngathi kuwumdlalo nje, kugcina kuba ngathi kuwumdlalo ukuhlangana nopresident ngoba kakuyona into encane. It's not a publicity stunt. Even upresident wacela ukuthi sigcine ukuthula, wakufakazela ukuthi uhlanganile neNgonyama, yamnika isiqiniseko, ubezocela leso siqiniseko kuphela. Ayikho into embi esixoxe ngoJacinta. Akuyona iMarch and March ebifuna upresident. Upresident ubefuna uphakela umthakathi, wabiza uphakela umthakathi. Uma ngabe edinga uMangobese uzolanda uMangobese futhi, njengoba kade ebize mina ubebize mina, bakuphoqa kusuka ngo2 emini bengifuna kwaze kwayoshaya u9.
By the way, why don't you go with Ngizwe to meet the president? Oh.
It was,
Are you not a fan of the president?
it was a secret meeting.
You don't fuck with Matamea.
I knew about it last week,
You don't
but
fuck with
the date
Matamea.
was not confirmed.
I see.
The date was not confirmed. It
I
was a
see.
secret meeting. The date was not confirmed. Yeah.
So you're
There were
invited?
calls. No, not invited, but I knew about it.
How did you know if you're not invited?
No, because he
you
was telling me.
text
And
on?
there was conversations happening when I was
What
with
did he
him
say?
last week.
What did he say?
No, there was a back and forth on when exactly the date is going to happen.
Why
of the
wasn't
meeting.
Jacinta there?
See, yes, that was the whole question. Because I saw on the social media as well. Why? Because Jacinta
She's
said
the face,
she
yeah.
also found out on social media. She didn't know. She was unaware about it.
Oh,
Yeah,
about the meeting?
about the meeting.
Really?
Yes. So it was only Pagela and Gizwe who went to this meeting.
Don't be shocked if Ngizwe is now deputy president of what?
Yeah, it happens quickly, bro.